Hey guys, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create a very nice subtle smoky eye look for beginners with hacks and tips and tricks. And also this is the first time I'm going to create this look, that too on camera. So you have to bear with me. I'm going to do a lot of blunders, I know. And all the product would be linked below in the description box. You can go and check it out if you want. And yeah, having said that, let's just jump into the video. We'll start with primer. This is Colorbar Silicone Primer. I'll rub it around my fingers and apply it on my eyelid. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline New York's Age Rewind Concealer and I will apply it all over my eyelid. And using my fingers, I'll spread it across. This will help the color to pop. Moving on to hack number 1, take a sellotape and a scissor, cut the tape in small strips, take out the excess glue from the tape because obviously you don't want to harm your skin. Then stick it measuring from the outer corner of your eyes till the outer end of your eyebrows. Moving on with hack number 2, take an angular brush, dip it in the dark color eyeshadow. I'm taking a black color and first make a line on the outer corner and then flick the color inside. In this way, the outer end will be dark and it will gradually go lighter towards the middle part. So here I have divided my eyelid into 3 parts. Outer corner will have dark color like I took black color, and then the middle section will have little light color like dark brown or maybe maroon color, and the inner corner will have light color like light brown and the beige color. In this way it's easy to build in a smoky look, I believe, without using kajal and without smudging a lot. So from the Maybelline New York's nude palette, I took a dark brown color and applied on the center of my eyelid, and from the same palette I took a light brown shade and applied on the inner corner of my eyes. But after I was done, I realized that the dark brown color I applied on the center of my eyelid was not coming out properly. So from a Makeup Revolution Tropical palette, I took a burnt maroon color and applied on the center of my eyelid, and trust me, it was looking so beautiful. You will see it at the end. Now to add a pop of gold, because obviously it's a festive makeup, I'm using Maybelline New York's Diamond palette and putting this gold color using my fingertip. I'm just placing it on the center of my eyelid. This will help my eyelid to pop by reflecting some light. Now I'm taking a clean brush and just wiping out the excess makeup under my eyebrows, like where it's supposed to be clean. So yeah, just taking the brush and cleaning everything out. I'm taking the dark brown color from the Maybelline New York's nude palette and putting it on my waterline just to like finish up the look. And then finishing it up with a kajal, because I believe Indian makeup is never complete without a kajal. This is just my understanding. So I'm using Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal, the regular kajal, and I'm putting it on my waterline to just enhance my eyes and just make my eyes look beautiful. So for mascara, I'm using Smashbox Superfan Mascara, and like any other mascara, I'm putting it on my eyelashes, just to open up my eyes, just separate those eyelashes, just to enhance my entire eye look, because festive season, I believe, is all about your eyes, because it is supposed to, like you have to put efforts to make your eyes look beautiful. For eyebrows, I'm using Colorbar's eyebrow pencil. This is the first time I'm going to use anything apart from Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, and I'm very scared. So yeah, I'll start filling up my eyebrows, and using the brush, I'll brush the excess. And after some time, I realized that I look like a clown. It looks like a tattoo. So I'll clean it up and I'll come back. Now it looks better. Moving on to the face makeup, guys, we are done with our eyes. I'm gonna use that same primer, Colorbar Silicone Primer, on my skin. I'll rub it across my finger and I'll put it all over my face. And I totally forgot that I have tape near my eyes. So yeah, don't forget to take out your tape as well before starting with your base makeup. And for concealer, again, I'm gonna use Maybelline New York's Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm not gonna put it all over my face, just on the problematic areas like under my eyes, near my nose, near my lips, and all over my dark spots, whatever I have on my skin. And I'm just gonna spread everything on my face using my fingers. I use either sponge or my fingers for concealer. Yeah. So to powder my face, I'm using Maybelline New York's Fit Me powder. This time I'm not gonna bake, guys, because I don't have a lot of products on my face. It's just concealer, that too very thin layer. So I'm gonna use a regular compact just to set everything on place. And don't forget, guys, under your eyes where you have a lot of concealer, a dabbing motion will help to set everything on place. Don't flick it. This time you just have to dab it. So for contouring, I'm going to use Maybelline New York Master Contour Palette, and I'm going to add all the color back on my skin by using this brown shade because right now my skin looks pale, guys. So I'm going to add color around my chin, around my forehead, and a little bit around my nose because obviously you don't want to look like a blank canvas, right? You need color back on your skin. For highlight, I'm going to use the same palette, Maybelline New York Master Contour Palette. It comes with a contour, blush, and highlight, so it's easy for beginners as well. And I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face, like my cheekbone, bridge of my nose. If you're wearing something deep neck, you can highlight your collar as well. It looks really nice and sexy. And for blush, I'm going to use Kiko Milano's blush palette. And yeah, talking about blush, guys, just place it on your cheek just with the dabbing motion. You don't have to flick it, don't rub it, just place it on your cheek, and yeah, it looks beautiful. Today I'm going to bronze my face as well because again, I believe with smoky eyes, little bit of that tan feel on your skin looks really nice. I don't really remember the name of the products, it's completely washed off. For lipstick, guys, I'm gonna use everyone's favorite MAC's Meher. You can go with a very bold color also, but here we are creating a very subtle look. So yeah, using this color on my lips. And lastly, I'm gonna use Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water just to set everything on place. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, guys, this is how the makeup turned out. I really like it. I know this is not something which is very out of the box, but I'm very proud of myself that I can make it look so presentable. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. All the products are linked below in the description box. You can go and check it out. And also Chic Alchemy, my Instagram handle, make sure to follow me there. I have started creating content there as well. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.